Hello everyone, I want to welcome you to this video today. Today I'm teaching you how you can make money as a Pi network influencer. Picoin is something that is reigning in town now and people are looking for information, anything that has to do with Pi network, Picoin. And there you are posting pictures on Twitter, on TikTok, on Instagram, and on other social media, even Facebook. You can make money with that, your account, social media account. And that is by becoming a Pi network influencer. In this video, I am going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to go about it. On this channel, I teach you how to make money both online and offline. And this is another one in this video. I make a boast that anyone that watch my videos steadily for 6 months, his life must change. If your life does not change after watching my video for 6 months, then go ahead to watch other channels. Stop coming to my channel to watch. Why do I say this? Because I am very certain that if you follow the information I give you on this channel, step by step, you are going to see great changes in your life. Now, how to make money as a Pi network influencer, a step-by-step guide. The Pi network has become one of the most talked about cryptocurrency projects in recent years, attracting millions of pioneers who mine Pi coins on their mobile devices. With Pi's continuous growth and its journey towards mainnet adoption, and funnest thing, on February 20, the Picoin was launched. Its full adoption into the crypto market is going to take place on March 14th, just a few days from now. There is a golden opportunity for individuals to position themselves as Pi network influencers and monetize their knowledge, influence, and audience. If you are passionate about Pi network and want to turn your enthusiasm into income, this video and the guide in this video will walk you through the step-by-step process of becoming a successful Pi network influencer and making money from it. Now, you may want to ask me the question that why do I need to become a Pi network influencer? Becoming an influencer in the Pi network ecosystem provides multiple benefits. Number one is that you will earn passive income. You monetize your content, referrals, and partnerships. Then you leverage a growing community. Pi has over 47 million engaged pioneers globally. Then you become a thought leader, just like as I am doing on this channel. So you establish yourself as a trusted voice in the crypto space. Then you gain exclusive perks. You connect with top pioneers, projects, and early adopters. Then you monetize your content across platforms. You earn from YouTube, blogs, TikTok, and Twitter, which is X. As Pi moves towards full mainnet adoption and gains mainstream recognition, the demand for Pi-related content and education is increasing. Now is the best time to position yourself as a leader in the space. Now, this is the step-by-step guide to become a Pi network influencer. The first step is for you to deepen your knowledge about Pi network. There are many people that know about Pi, but all they know to do is just to click it every 24 hours and they see what is happening, they know the story, they know everything. You can convert that to money by making it available on social media. Before you can influence others, you need to become an expert in Pi network. People trust influencers who provide valuable and accurate information. Here is what you need to understand. The Pi network roadmap, open mainnet, utility growth, and the future of Pi. You also need to understand how Pi mining works, the role of mining and how it changes over time. Then you also need to know about Pi KYC process, helping new users complete their verification. So these are the things you provide content about. Then you need to talk about Pi's real-world use cases, businesses accepting Pi as payment. I just mentioned some of those businesses in a video I did about 2 hours ago. Then you also talk about update from the Pi core team, staying informed about the latest developments. By mastering these topics, you position yourself as a go-to expert, which will increase your credibility and audience trust. Now, the second step is that you have to choose your platform. To succeed as a Pi network influencer, you need a platform to share your insights and attract an audience. Here are the best platforms for Pi influencers. Number one on the list of the platforms is YouTube. You create videos on Pi updates, tutorials, and predictions. Then number two is TikTok and Instagram Reels. Post short, engaging videos about Pi's potential. Then the next one is Twitter, which is also referred to as X. You share daily Pi news and engage in discussions. Now, you can also use Facebook, groups, and Telegram. You build and manage a Pi community. Then you can also use Medium and blogs. Write in-depth articles on Pi's ecosystem and future. This now is a tip. Start with one platform where you feel comfortable, then expand as you grow. Number three step is create high-quality Pi network content. To attract followers and potential business opportunities, your content must be valuable and engaging. Here are some popular content ideas for Pi influencers. Pi network news and updates. Report the latest update from the Pi core team. That means you have to be up to date. You have to be the first to give the breaking news. Now, also you have to talk about how-to guides. You do certain research into Pi network and Picoin into areas that other people have not talked about. Tutorials on mining Pi, KYC verification, and withdrawals. All these things are going to help you to grow. Then you also talk about Picoin predictions, analysis of future price trends. I have done videos about that Pi is going to $1,000. Some people ask the CEO of Pi that what is the potential that's going to get to $10, and he said it is very, very certain, very, very sure, and he gave some reasons. I talked about that in my previous video just before this one. Then you can also do Pi ecosystem reviews. You explore marketplaces and projects built around Pi. Then you can also talk about Pi exchange and trading tips. Teach people how to use Pi once it is tradable. Now, use eye-catching thumbnails, compelling captions, and SEO-friendly keywords to boost your reach. Now, this is the step number 4. You need to grow your audience and build engagement. Engagement is key to becoming a successful Pi network influencer. Without an active audience, monetization will be difficult. So you need to post consistently, at least 3 to 5 times per week on your platform. On this YouTube channel, I post about 2 times in a day about Pi. Today, this is the second video I'm doing about Pi today, being Sunday and the 9th day of March 2025. So you have to post consistently, at least 3 to 5 times per week on your platform. Then you have to use hashtags like Pi Network, Picoin, Crypto Influencer, Pi Mainnet. Then you have to engage with followers, reply to their comments, answer their questions, and host giveaways. Then you have to collaborate with other influencers, cross-promote with Pi-related accounts. Then you have to go live, host question and answer sessions on YouTube, TikTok, or Twitter Spaces. The more you interact with your audience, the more loyal and engaged they will become. They will not go away. Then number 5 thing you need to do is to monetize your influence. Once you have built a strong audience, it's time to start making money from your Pi network influence. So you can make money through referral commissions. Encourage people to join Pi network using your referral code. The more people you refer, the more Pi you earn. Then you can also use YouTube monetization. So I currently am using YouTube monetization. So if you create Pi-related videos on YouTube, you can earn money through YouTube ad revenue and from ads shown on your videos. Then YouTube memberships. offer exclusive Pi network content to members. Then you can also earn from super chats and donations. Viewers can donate money during live streams. You can also make money from sponsored content. As your audience grows, Pi-related businesses may pay you to promote their projects. You can earn through sponsored videos and posts. Promote Pi-based applications and services. Then you can also earn from affiliate marketing. Recommend crypto-related products and earn commission. Now, you can also make money through selling digital products and courses. Now, use your expertise to create paid courses, ebooks, or consulting services about Pi network and cryptocurrency. Then you can also make money by Pi network business partnerships. Many businesses are exploring Picoin adoption. As a Pi influencer, you can partner with Pi-based marketplaces, earn Pi for promoting businesses that accept Pi as payment. Then you can also offer consulting services to businesses looking to integrate Pi. Why you should start now? That is what I want to tell you now. The Pi network is still in its early stages, making this the best time to establish yourself as a Pi network influencer. Pi is rapidly gaining mainstream attention. That little information you get from here, you can put it together and push it out often on your page. Now, you may say, many people are talking about Pi already. My friend, the way you will talk about Pi is different from the way I and other influencers are talking about Pi. So, I don't want myself and other influencers to get all the influencer money alone. I want you also to take part in this. Pi is rapidly gaining mainstream attention. Many pioneers are looking for guidance and education. So, the competition is still low compared to other crypto niches. Pi's upcoming Mainnet launch and exchange listing will create new opportunities. By following the guide I've given you in this video, this step-by-step guide, and taking action today, and not just today but daily, I must say, if you really make it in this influencer world, you have to be at it daily. You can build a profitable influencer career in the Pi network space. Now is the time to become a Pi network influencer and start making money from it. Are you ready to start? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section of this video just below. So, my name is Dr. Olubenga Adetitun, and I'm your host on this YouTube channel. I make a post that if you watch this channel consistently, regularly, just for 6 months, daily, your life will go to be transformed. Your life will be changed, move from bad to good in every area, especially in the area of making money online and offline, or business setup, or any other thing related to that. So, keep coming to this channel for 6 months and you'll be glad you did. If you watch this channel, like I said, for 6 months and your life does not change, I make a boast to say you should say bye-bye to this channel if you watch for 6 months daily and your life does not change. That means I am not sent to you. But I am very certain if you watch this channel consistently for 6 months, your life will change for good. I'm going to see you in the next one. Subscribe, share the link of this video, like this video, and let me have your comment in the comment section below. Look at this video that is popping up by the side right from my channel. That is the video you should go ahead and watch now. Let's go ahead and watch it.